Track 3. Listening.
So, we've set the date, we've got the time off work. We need to talk about what we're going to pack.
Definitely. We'll have 2 canoes and with the tents and sleeping bags, I'm guessing we probably won't have a huge amount of extra space, so we might want to keep it to the bare minimum.
It might not be a bad idea to have a couple of phones with us in case we get separated.
I'm no expert, but I don't think that we can expect to have a phone signal, especially as we'll be in a canyon most of the time.
Good point. Personally, I feel that we don't want to be weighed down with too much stuff, so maybe we should just bring 1 phone in case of emergency.
Right, we only need 1 phone, no more.
I don't know about you, but I don't think we'll want a lot of devices on this trip. Can I just suggest we leave our other electronics at home?
OK, so we shouldn't bring any tablets or MP3 players.
Yeah. Well, since it's summer, I think it's reasonable to assume that we're not going to need a lot of warm clothing. Maybe just a jumper each for nighttime?
Sounds good. If we get cold or wet, we should be able to build a fire and we can dry things that way.
All I know is that I'm going to want at least 3 pairs of socks. I can't stand having wet feet.
So, let's agree. Everyone should bring 3 pairs of socks and a spare pair of shoes.
Fine. And it seems to me that we should probably take along a few torches and some spare batteries. It will be dark out there after the sun goes down.
Definitely. I wonder if we should consider leaving the camping stove behind. We'll be able to cook over the fire, won't we?
I don't think there's a law against fires, but we should check the rules. I can do that.
Thanks. As for the camping stove, we might possibly want it if we have rainy weather. At least then we could cook in the tent, right?
Let's bring the stove. But, speaking of cooking, what about food?
I've actually made a menu already, but it might not be a bad idea for all of us to look at it together.